RV. The beast. Just kidding. Wave. Look. Alright, you guys, we're doing it. A little scared, not gonna lie, but literally now or never because it's super busy. Oh my gosh. Alright, here we go. I know how to drive the boat. My only thing is picking up my dad. It's gonna be quick before I put you down. There he is, slowly backing out. Alright, I gotta go. Can't see it anymore. But look at how crazy the boat's going. No more. Huh? Huh? Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Stop! Oh, brother. Ah! Watch out, dude. Oh my god, I don't have a life jacket. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, I'm so scared. Dad! Don't play with me right now! Stay there! Ah! How's that?
That was good. Good driving. Hi, mommy. Good driving, Rosalie. Huh? Sorry.